Hey, my gluten-free friends, this is Liquidy, and I'm here with another product review. And today I am super excited to bring this product for many different reasons. One is because this product is plant-based, and although I am not vegetarian or vegan, I am a flexitarian, which means I do eat meat, but I am really open to trying and eating a lot of plant-based stuff. I was vegetarian for a couple years in college, but being celiac, it's really hard to be vegetarian and celiac because I also have some other foods I can't eat, like corn. And so that wipes out a lot of things to eat if I'm vegetarian. I also can't eat soy, so that wipes out tofu and a whole bunch of other stuff. But anyway, I do love plant-based foods, and I do love eating plant-based because A, it's better for the planet, and B, it helps my digestive system and it helps to keep me healthy. So I love always adding more plant-based food to my diet, and this is one of them. This is a new discovery I just made and just tried. It is the best gluten-free breadcrumbs you will ever have. It's called Longeve, and it's pea protein gluten-free breadcrumbs. So if you're paleo or if you are on a low carbohydrate diet, these are perfect because they're made from pea protein. So I will put on my glasses here and read the description for you. It says, lighter and flakier than ordinary breadcrumbs, Longeve Breadless Pancake crumbs give your favorite foods extra crispy crunch. And since they're made from just one nutritious ingredient, pea protein, they're packed with protein and fiber and are completely gluten-free. So you can add it to fish, chicken, tofu, and vegetables, which I'm gonna try this on tofu next. I tried it on chicken. It was out of the park amazing. All of the people in our household that are not gluten-free didn't even know that this was gluten-free because they thought it was great. It was really tasty. You can also saute this lightly in butter and oil and sprinkle overcooked vegetables for a crunchy topping. Toss with melted butter or olive oil, sprinkle on top of mac and cheese and casseroles. Heck yeah, I love crunch on my mac and cheese, especially when it's gluten-free and it's dairy-free. So this is pretty awesome stuff. Every serving has 7 grams of protein and 19 grams of carbohydrates, which might sound like a lot, but that's actually very little for breadcrumbs. And there's no grain in this, it's just pea protein. And I eat pea protein every morning for breakfast. It's super easily digestible. Obviously, don't eat this if you're allergic to peas. That's a really bad idea. But if you're not allergic to peas and you can tolerate pea protein, which most people can, it's a really great protein. And the other thing I love about this is they're in plastic containers. So if you want to take this with you on vacation, it's not a huge size. It's only 4.5 ounces. Super easy to throw this in with your camping food. Super easy to throw this in your suitcase if you're traveling. You can just put it in there. You don't have to worry about it getting crushed or broken because it's plastic, so it's super flexible. Love this stuff. I would definitely recommend it. So this is the panko one. I've also tried their other breadcrumbs, but I would highly recommend Longeve's pea protein gluten-free breadless breadcrumbs. Super yummy, super amazing, easy to cook with. They're plain flavored, so you can put any flavor on them. So what I suggest to do is put the flavor on whatever you're doing, just sprinkle the seasoning on and then coat it with these. Because one of the things I found is that if I put the seasoning in it, the seasoning I was using wasn't working very well, but I think a better way to do it was just sprinkle the seasoning on, with salt on whatever you're coating, and then sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on it, and then coat it with the Longeve gluten-free pea protein. You will love it. It's amazing. It's so super healthy, and it's low in carbohydrates, which I absolutely love. I'm not a keto person, but I do try to cut back on my carbohydrates and save them for good things like dessert. So I like to save my carbohydrates. It's not that I don't eat carbohydrates, but I like to save them for dessert. Anywho, you guys will love these. Definitely check these out on Longeve. The link will be in the description, and you can check them out. So so I hope you guys are enjoying food, enjoy travel, and enjoy life. This is Liquidy, my gluten-free friend. I hope you're having a great gluten-free day.